We had some lovely weather in August, not too hot and with some cloudy days. I'm enjoying my garden very much now that there are so many dahlias in flower. I grow a variety of pompons, dinner plates and water lilies, in soft pinks, apricots and oranges. In between the dahlias I grow perennials like the agastache, combined with annuals such as cosmos, zinnias and snapdragons. Next to the main path, the roses are flowering for a third time this year. I also love these huge bannery zinnias. Now that we have overcast weather, it is the perfect time for me to clip the topiary box. I use an old sheet to catch the clippings. This saves me time tidying up afterwards. I start by clipping the sides with my shears upside down, following the curve of the boxwood. Due to the drought, they haven't grown much this year. I don't water my boxwoods. I do spray them with an organic spray against the box moth caterpillars 4 times a year, and that has been working quite well. It is organic and therefore it doesn't harm any birds, insects or other little creatures in my garden. For the top, I like to use my shears the right way up, but be careful not to clip a huge chunk out of your box. That has happened to me once. All the boxwood has been clipped and I love how sharp and crisp they look. Although the weather forecast said it would stay cloudy, the sun is peeking through, so I will be covering my box for the next couple of days to prevent the leaves from getting scorched by the sun. This way they will gradually get used to the sunlight. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time.